I got PlayStation Portal, and as you can see guys, the thumbstick for the right side is look like missing or broken. So in this video I will try to fix this issue. If this is the first time you watch me, I fix video games and computer. So don't forget to give me like, subscribe or follow. I already have the part. I hope this one it's working good with this portal. So let's start to fix it. First thing first, the portal look like same PlayStation 5 controller. So it should be easy to fix this problem. So let's start from this side. I think I need to open all this part. I already take them out. And they have 4 screws. 1, 2, and 3, and the last one here, 4. So let's open them. I need to work on the right side, so they have 1 screws here, and I think the second one here. After I open both of them, I think I can take this a white piece and we can install the thumbstick. So let's try. Alright, I already opened 2 screws, so let's try to see if I can. Yeah, I can take this side. Alright, that should be good. So here we have 1 screws and the second one here. So I think after I open these, I can take this plastic piece and install the thumbstick. And as you can see guys, that's it. So let's install the stick or the thumbstick. I just show you. It's look like good. So let's return all the part back and finish this video. Alright, the PlayStation Portal is ready. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please just let me know.